Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
我擦手消毒，这也是有。你要消毒啊？对，因为我要擦脸。可以啊，可以啊，可以。
In chicken chest, you can eat the kind of cake.
Oh really?
You know the cassava or something
Nice,
like that.
nice.
Something like
You
that.
think nice?
The cassava is good.
Special,
Cassava,
okay.
you know, right?
Yeah, I know. Cassava a little bit like potato.
Yeah.
You know, Indonesia popular for the cassava chips.
That's true.
There's this brand quite nice one. Got black pepper and cheese. The green color packet one.
There's different price for the parking. You can know which one.
Nice, the temple Borobudur.
It's okay, right? Now it's going up.
Nice. Very pretty.
3 months ago, you cannot drive after that.
People you can show.
May to July, right?
They try
Yeah,
the.
that's true.
You see?
May to July.
I mean, it's the starting going climb up with this rules.
Because they say
Yeah.
they say the too many shoes spoil the
Yeah.
display.
I mean, if you've been to Angkor Wat,
Yeah.
it's they put the iron stamp on the top of the stone, so it's kind of like
Protect.
yeah.
Before that, 他们讲
People totally cannot climb. It's like in 4 months time.
Yeah.
If they realize that the damage is still there, then cannot climb forever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
so we lucky
Be lucky. So,
That's why I said it's kind of like before it's you cannot climb up. When it gets disappointed
only
because
below
yeah,
sea,
yeah.
right? 3到4月
And this is the new rule. That's why you just kind of like it's easiest kind of like
they say
5月、6月、7月、8月、
nanti buka.
it's still a lot of damage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. They say the trial period for these 4 months, April, May, June, July.
Yeah.
But they say if the damage is still there, then you cannot climb forever.
That's true.
so we are lucky.
They're lucky.
We are lucky lah. Laki-laki semen. Laki-laki itu yang wanita pria laki-laki. Balik tahun
They say, yeah,
Bali cannot go.
the Bali mountain,
Batur.
cannot go.
Don't know which mountain.
Ya Batur.
Batoro. Why ah? Why cannot go?
Some people never respect the mountain. They say the foreigners never respect the mountain. Then they say in Bali the mountain got God, right? Got the spirit of God. They never respect.
They have too many but
Yeah,
Why
Bali.
this one no car plate?
like sorry.
Why no car plate?
No.
Your car. No number plate.
There is, but we cannot see.
Huh? Allowed.
It's a duck.
But
Yeah,
allowed.
actually no, but it's kind of maybe it's too. What do you call it? There is, but you see, there is little bit because there's a bad number, right? But we cannot see. No. There is.
Drop out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said
How
you
long is the journey? 10 minutes.
10 minutes 1 hour. No, it's 10 minutes.
Really 10 minutes. Really 10 minutes.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Usa.
You know what's that?
Usa is 20
50.
to 50. Usa.
All these people, right? They are hired by who? All this government
Donation.
donation.
By the staff.
Also, they try to be nice. They try to be nice.
Yeah, paid by the coin. If someone didn't give, so it's means
So
job.
see people whether they give or not. lah. They're like volunteers now,
Yeah,
help to
yeah.
direct the traffic.
I mean, if the traffic is really worse, I will do it. Then okay. If I can do myself, okay, it's fine. It's good. Last time,
That's why when we come out from the airport, you give the person 2,000 because the traffic is bad, right?
Yeah. It's kind of like, say, okay, we are the bus with the small speed. I would like to make U-turn. I use the magic hand.
It's a
The magic hand is like this. Then we just please, and then we brake. It's a magic hand.
In the morning, the motorbike, you stop so many motorbike. That one, don't. If got people there, will you give him? Let's say if got people standing there, would you have give him?
Yeah, not really. If the situation like that, you know. I mean, if he really help, I will give it.
But the morning one look quite difficult.
If not really,
Only one, he's the magic car.
magic guy, that's good. No, what is the most important is kind of like who drive from on other side. They saw us. They saw us moving, so they will try to
Give way.
slowly to brake the motor and the car.
If not,
If not, they just that's the most important. They watch front and they know it. I'm coming. That's just they prepare it.
Dangerous, this person.
I mean, it's
Young.
you should stop and look on right or left. Seas. I saw my face palm. The rare one. It's cheap. Now the price is really good.
What which one?
I saw my face palm very coffee. I need money.
Yeah.
You know, the rare one, 1965, original. I sell only 25 million.
25.
What is it? What thing is 1965?
Face palm,
What is taste park?
scooter,
Oh.
the old one, Italian.
Oh yeah. Oh.
So it's kind of, you know, not the price.
I know.
60.
Oh.
60 you can
Regret? You regret selling?
Sorry?
You regret selling?
I mean, at that time I need money.
Yeah.
But I mean, with the conferences, I mean, at that price is already good.
Very good, yes. But how much you buy the Vespa?
I heard from a long time ago, so the original one.
Very, very.
Wow, nice.
The rare one. Yeah.
Yeah, the Vespa.
1965, the original.
We never really see a lot of Vespa on the road also.
The old one or the new one?
The new one.
That was the
People
new
driving
one.
a lot.
The girl.
The girl was driving the Vespa. Oh.
Italian. Kilogram for the gas for cooking.
So deliver to each house.
Yeah. No, that's a buy.
But
So
first,
small that so you have a big room.
then this one must refill a lot.
Yes. That's subsidized also.
Oh, yeah, natural gas.
That 3 kilogram. Yeah. If you will need to learn something like that, please not too long sekarang we will switch left and then sekarang the jeep.
Yeah.
And then sekarang direction to Prambanan Temple.
Okay. Also we go Merapi first, then Prambanan.
Yeah,
Okay.
Prambanan.
Okay.
And the cruise Prambanan is closed at 5.
Okay. So we
So
take a fast
sekarang
one.
we will actually they close at 5, but you can stay longer inside.
Okay.
So sekarang
Yeah, this one we quick.
sekarang let's say
Take a few photo.
Yeah, take a few
and I
photo.
mean you can have a coffee or tea, and also that cake, it's fine.
Yeah,
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean the cassava,
yeah. 它的里面有个 cassava cake.
cassava goreng.
Okay. We go have a look.
Yeah, I mean just
You want to join us?
no thank you.
You want the cake?
No thank you. It's okay. Usually they will offer the jeep, the transport.
But don't need, right?
I mean you can walk by
这
yourself.
边是 Volkswagen 的。What car is this?
Okay, this is the rear one also.
Volkswagen.
Yeah, that's true. It's cabriolet.
Yeah.
Cabriolet is open.
It's a very old one, right?
Yeah, that's true. It's around 1976, 1976, yeah. Or 60, okay, for 60. 80, before 80. Yeah. Sit. You wanna take picture? That's a trip, but if you can take picture front of 80 people.
See how hard drive.
Yeah, I mean, you would like to do the trip? It's a trip, then
How
that
much
rent.
they charge?
I don't know, it's maybe 250 or 300. Something like that. I mean, they feel it's spiritual around this area. Jupiter. This is German. It's only export to Indonesia and Mexico.
Oh, no wonder. That's we saw a few little like this.
Cabriolet.
I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you
We need to walk up. We need to walk. Wait. Bukit Rhema is there. We need to go
Yeah,
up.
that's
Go up, right?
Yeah.